Apple event day. Apple event day. There was a big event today, September 15th. We did a little companion live stream, talked about it, followed along with many audience members. We were curious what was going to go down. Time Flies was the name of it. You can go watch the recap if it's still there on Unbox Therapy.
Copyright.
You can go watch it. It's still there. We saw new Apple Watches. We didn't see anything about iPhones. I can't say I'm surprised. I didn't expect to see iPhone stuff here. Well, most people did not. We've heard of the delays. We knew that the watch was slated to be talked about. We knew that the iPad was slated to be talked about. I don't know. The iPad might be a little more interesting to me, but we'll lead it off. We'll kick it off with the watch since Apple kicked it off with the watch during the event. And I'm just going to do a quick version of it. If you didn't have time to watch the whole event, quick in the sense that I'll just move through the topics.
Okay.
The important topics. So, because somebody's going to comment, what you mean quick? I've been on this Lou Later show before. It didn't take you an hour anyways. So, I'll move through it for you. It's going to be half an hour today. All right? Speed. Right now, Will's like, you're wasting time talking about how fast it's going to be instead of just being fast with it. The Apple Watch updated, improved, Blood O2, the big feature they wanted to talk about. Bunch of new colors they wanted to talk about, including first time ever a product red variant. This blood oxygen thing, I told you during the broadcast, it's a big deal. When you go to the emergency room, when you're in any kind of terrible shape, your blood oxygen level can let you know you ain't good right now. Now, the Apple Watch was already doing the heart readings with the ECG.
Yep.
And now it added this to it. Now it's even more comprehensive. A lot of people pointed out to me, Lou, other smartwatches have had this in the past. Look, it's true. I understand. I feel you. But of course, as you know, if you're a tech fan, when Apple does something, it brings tremendously more attention to the feature. And they just got this big time footprint. And then regular people start using this technology far more and it gets adopted. And so that's why it's always interesting and meaningful. So you get the Blood O2. They put out a bunch of new watch bands as well. I love this idea of the no clasp watch band. And it's going to come in two styles. One has like a braided look to it. The other one has a smoother finish, an infinite loop, as you liked to mention during the broadcast. You just slide your hand in. It's going to expand. You're going to slide your hand in. And
did they show a demo of it?
They did not show a demo of it.
That's what I realized.
Well done, Will.
How do you
well
put it
done.
on? I'd like to see.
The solo loop. I assume that it has some elasticity to it, and it will stretch around your hand and then spring back around the wrist. But then what about sizing? You got a lot of questions. So do I.
Yeah.
We'll get our hands on it. We'll figure it out. They say it's soft. They say it's stretchable silicone. Rubber. Silicone. The solo loop is ultra comfortable, lightweight, and surprisingly easy to slip on and off. Now, you know, I feel the need to mention you get the arm hair. Some of us, we got the arm hair going on as well.
Yeah.
Does
and
it
if
get,
it's rubber?
Does it pull on? Does it pull a little bit? We're going to find out. Also, of course, there's a bunch of other improvements on the internals, a bunch of new watch faces. It's going to be faster, more capable. They are also going to sell an Apple Watch SE. So that was the Series 6 starting at $399. They're also going to do an Apple Watch SE at $279. And they're still going to sell the Series 3 at $199. They're releasing Friday, September the 18th, so very soon. You can pre-order, of course. The Apple Watch SE is the affordable option that looks similar to Series 6, but it doesn't have those brand new sensors in there. So that's important to know. You don't get that flashy new stuff. Yeah, I'd say that pretty much covers it for a quick recap. More colors, new bands, that new O2 sensor, and then actually, I guess, leading into some of the other services and then some of the next topics, the fitness component, which they made a big deal of and now can integrate with this fitness product that they're putting out to compete with the likes of Peloton, an actual guided fitness experience. Watching a video, tracking your vitals and all the rest of it at the same time. So that's another kind of component of the watch piece.